You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words together. They are very often confused for one another. They have fairly similar pronunciations but very different meanings, so let's make sure we get them right. So the top word on your screen that only has one S is pronounced as desert. Desert. So you have a Z sound, a Z sound, a Z sound, okay, and a stress on the first syllable, desert. And that's the dry, sandy area where it doesn't rain or hardly ever rains, arid area, like the Sahara Desert. In Africa, the desert, okay. Now the bottom word that has two S's also comes from French, but it designates the sweet cake or ice cream that you have at the end of a meal, and that's the dessert. Dessert, okay. So surprisingly, it also has a Z sound. In French, it would be said dessert, okay, but English has adopted a very different pronunciation, which is confusing. Dessert. Now, the main difference here is that you stress on the second syllable, and it's more of a D sound, dessert, 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 dessert. So that's at the end of a meal, the cake is the dessert. Now, if you're crossing the Sahara, it's the desert. Okay, so let's summarize. Top word, desert, the Sahara Desert versus dessert. A chocolate cake is a dessert. Desert, dessert. Do you get the difference? I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments, like this video to support, appreciate. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.